Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 7 from this light and stable platform for trade BOUSDT.org. If you want to register from if you want to recharge from here, click this. Like we see, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet and send the money to RC20 network. After you send the money, click this. The money will arrive directly to the platform. Like we see, minimum deposit in this platform 10 TRX or 10 USDT everyone. Like we see. If you want to trade in this platform from here, and if you want to invite your friends from here to earn commission team. If you want to trade, click this. After you click this, like we see, you can trade with 5-minute and plan and 1-minute plan. I will go to group 5-minute plan everyone. This is group 5-minute plan and the link group in the description of the video everyone. After you register and deposit, you will see link group 5-minute in the description of the video, and there are link group 1-minute in the description of the video everyone. I will waiting and trade this time to finish. We'll go to the group. When you will see this, lose, and when you see this, win. Like we see double trade and double win. Like second trade is big, like we see. When you want to trade, click buy. After you click buy, choose the plan from the group. Like we see big, choose big and put the number, will trade it. Will trade with 2 TRX. Confirm trade. We're waiting this time to finish everyone. Like we see everyone, I win in big. I will go to the platform. Like we see, it is big and I win and my amount increase it. I will go to, we'll see second deal is double. I will go to the platform, click buy, choose double, put your amount, will trade it. I will trade with 2 TRX again, but this time I will choose big double and small double. I will put 2 TRX in them. Trade. I will waiting this time to finish again. Like we see everyone, I win again in double. I will go to the platform. It is double and my amount increase it. Like that, trade in the platform. I will explain how to withdraw. Click withdraw. When you want to withdraw, put your address wallet RC20 and the amount there and click withdraw. Like we see, minimum withdraw 10 TRX and minimum withdraw 10 USDT. I will put it and show it. After I put my address wallet and the amount, I will click withdraw now. I will put my payment password and click confirm. The withdraw successful everyone. I will click withdraw and go to my withdraw record from here. Like we see everyone, this is my withdraw number 7 from this slide and stable platform for trade. I deposit every day 500 TRX or 1000 TRX and I earn 600 TRX more, and this I earn 200 TRX more. This I deposit just 45 TRX and I earn 200 TRX. All this win from this trade platform. Register and start daily trade with me. I will waiting the withdraw to arrive. This withdraw will arrive in 2 minutes everyone, waiting me. Like we see everyone, the withdraw right successful and the withdraw will arrive in 1 second or 2 seconds. Like we see, the withdraw arrive directly to my wallet. I will go to my Trust Wallet and show you. Like we see, the withdraw arrive directly, the time and the amount and the time here. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like BOUSDT BOUSDT.org for trade, and you will see link register with all details and link groups in the description of the video, everyone. Register and start trade with me, everyone. Good luck, everyone.